Hello traders, I want to show you a backtesting results for today's date for bounce trend line algo, which was performed on March 5th, and I want to show you how this day looked like. So we are down to more than 2%. We started like right here. It went down. It was one-sided way. So let's see how the trendline strategy performed during that day. And again, the strategy is a breakout trendline breakout. So it would be if this trend line is rising, if we have a break below, then we're open short. And same thing reversely for loans. We have this trend line down and we have a close above with additional filters, then we are opening long. So here's the strategy. Here's my settings. I'm still using 40 and 40. It's 5-second chart. I'm using RSI, this new update. 60 must be reading 60 must be above for longs, and reading 40 or below must be for shorts. Strength of a trend line is 21, and this time I deselected HTF. So we're only doing trend lines with the RSI filter, and the time frame is between here 9 a.m. basically and 3:45. So let's gonna speed it up until 9 a.m. and then I will slow it down a little bit. See, the trend line is also it's a price action strategy, because it just is, price respects trend lines or bounces from it. So here was one trade where it broke this line, went long, okay, and then immediately it broke this line and it went short. Okay, so that was two trades within several minutes, So here comes the opening. We went down. Right, see, it went short here as well. Now notice that we didn't went long here, right? Because this RSI reading was not. See, sometimes you can break the trend line, but if there is no momentum, it will be difficult for a profit target to reach profit target. So that's why we selected 60 for longs and 40 for shorts. So in this case there was no momentum, not enough momentum, so it didn't take it, but it probably would have won anyway. But I'm just saying that we're opening longs for a momentum, like this one. There was a momentum, but it immediately reversed. Same thing as here, here was a break, but there was no momentum. Same thing here, there was a break, but there was no momentum. Here definitely was a momentum. Oh, I think I forgot to switch it to 21. That's why I didn't see the trend line. So you specify which trend line in a strategy, and it uses those settings. But here was like, why wasn't there a trend line? It's because I forgot to specify it for 21. So here was our break of a trend line and the momentum, so it went down. Look here, there was a break, but there was no momentum. Glad we didn't open it. See, there are these. Mm, I was gonna say that these are bounces from trend line, but this trend line, this trend line hasn't been plotted yet. It gets plotted when you see this dot, so it plotted when this bar occurred. So uh, didn't work, but so far we have we're in profit so far. Like right here, there was a momentum, but trend is still down. Yeah, see, so there is a momentum and trend line break. It's a pretty good strategy. And as you can see, look, uh, it just price tends to react to trend lines. It either breaks it or bounces from it. So yeah, I find it's pretty nice. See, here was a bounce to the loan with the momentum. It reached our profit target. But then it went here. Like when you're here, you're thinking I was thinking we're going long. Um, so I specifically chose to not to look for shorts at this time, but I was wrong. But Algo just did what you told it to. It kept on getting shorts and loans. Uh, See, it's the when you're trading with Algo, it's much more consistent than you are. You just tell it what to do, and like if you're in doubt, you could just disable it, shorts or loans or both of them. If you like, that's what I was doing today. I didn't expect this one-sided market today. So let's speed it up until we only have 2 hours. I downloaded the data until 3 p.m. Eastern time. See, you have a break right here, but there is not enough momentum, so we didn't buy it. We didn't buy it here, uh, and there was not enough momentum to go short here either. So I'm pretty pleased with this algo and how it just I think it's just a character of NQ. It just follows the trend lines. Uh, right. So that was it, and so look at this. $1,980 in profit if you would have just let this algo run. Let's look at it in more details. We had 18 trades, 70, almost 78% profitable. That's really good. I mean, there's hardly you can improve on this win rate. Uh, you could go half hour of a day, but that doesn't really mean anything at this time. But anyways, yeah, this is I see that this settings for momentum RSI is definitely needs to be used, in my opinion. Sometimes I alternating between 21 and 15. Um, so yeah, thanks for watching this market review.